everybody, it's your boy Jay and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Alright guys, so we're not going to spend a very long time with the intro of this video. I just want you guys to get a quick view of the road work that is taking place between Golden Grove to Stokes Hall. You guys get to stick and stay. We're not going to do a lot of talking in this one, but you guys get to really see what is going on. Alright, so join me on the next side guys, let's go.
Come take a journey across the sea to the land of sunshine, culture, and history. Jae Says 87.6, it's the place to be when we uncover Jamaica's legacy.
Alright guys, so we're in the proximity of the Golden Grove Cemetery. So you can get to see the roadway. Over the years, this little area, this little strip right here, always had issue in regards to water buildup. So a lot of the times there were complications with vehicular traffic from that little area right there, due to poor drainage and so on. Since Chec has been working on this area of the road, it has improved significantly. It's still a work in progress, but as you can see, they are advanced now in their layering. So what they have done is remove most of the top layer, and based on the machinery that you are seeing here in the far left hand corner, they are getting ready to oil the road. They have already started the process of marling. So once the marling has been completed, they're gonna go ahead and oil the road, and right after oiling is usually surfacing. So they're working on it guys, and pretty soon we'll have, you know, smooth road traveling straight through Golden Grove, meeting back with Hardley. Alright guys, so I'm gonna just bring you guys now on this little strip right here, and please excuse the background noise. Yes, my boss. We've been waiting for this for quite a while, and we are truly happy as residents of Eastern St. Thomas, where for a long time things have been a little bit stagnant or static. You don't really see a lot of activity in regards to development, but I'm proud to say that over the past year or so, even beyond, we've been seeing vast improvement, guys, in regards to development taking place in this area. You know, thanks to the work of the authorities that are in a position to assist or to earmark this kind of work. We are grateful to see something happening over here in Eastern St. Thomas. So remember guys, like, subscribe, comment and share. If you're not yet a part of the Jae Says family guys, just go ahead and click the subscription button and turn on all your notifications so you will never miss another upload from us guys. Remember, we're on our way now to 3,000 subscribers, so be a part of the Jae Says family guys, so that, you know, we can share different aspects of culture and development in St. Thomas, and not just St. Thomas but Jamaica on a whole. Alright guys, so remember, like, subscribe, comment and share. Stay tuned for our next upload, and as we always say on this channel, Jae Says, and we are out of here.